Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 5i, and today I'll show you how to use Camera Pro mode in this smartphone. So simply you have to go for that three horizontal lines and pick expert mode. And as you can see, when you are here we can change few options. So at the first we can find the white balance in this place. So basically the white balance prevents colors from being affected by the color of the light source. So we can choose a present white balance setting or customize our setting based on the light sources. So as you can see, we can make it like that. I hope that you can see it right now. So for example, we can pick maybe something like that. Okay. And the next option is called the AF. It's right here. So AF is just simply focus. So we can choose from, oh, take a look. We can choose from the autofocus, from continuous focus, and also the manual focus. So we can put this plant, for example, here and go like that. Here we can also find the EV, so that's basically the exposure compensation, and we can change it to the recommended exposure settings to make our photos brighter or darker. So take a look. I mean, maybe we can make it a little bit darker, like that. And also we can find for sure the exposure. It's right here, and we can find here the exposure on the left, and on the right we can find the shutter speed. So the shutter speed is just we set the exposure time with the shutter speed, and we have to keep our device steady to avoid the blurring on the photo when you set, for example, more than 2 seconds. So we have to keep our phone steady like that. And of course, in the same way we change the light that comes to our lens. I'm going to set it up like that. And here we can also change the exposure compensation. I mean the normal exposure. So let's pick it like that and then just take a photo. And as you can see, there it is. So that's how it looks. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.